Okay, part C, explain the vertical motion of the parachutist immediately after they jump out of the plane before the parachute opens. And in your answer, you should be able to describe the vertical motion of the parachutist, the net vertical force, state whether or not the forces are balanced or unbalanced, and explain how net vertical force affects vertical motion. Okay. So this is the part where they've just jumped out, they haven't opened their parachute yet, so that you pretty much are just expecting them to be falling, right? So, and because they are falling, and gravity is taking over, they will be accelerating while falling. Okay, so first of all, let's describe their vertical motion. So the parachutist will have the downward weight force acting on them, and a upward air resistance force acting on them. The weight force will be greater than the air resistance. So the forces are unbalanced and the net direction of the force will be downwards. As a result, the parachutist will be accelerating down. That's pretty much it there. So that is an excellent answer. For an achieved, you can basically identify the two forces. So acknowledge that there's the downwards weight force and the upwards air resistance force. That will give you a U, or be able to describe what net force is. So the two working together, which one's balancing which one out. Or by saying that the forces are unbalanced or that they're accelerating. Now, the relationship between these, so being able to describe the forces and then say that one is bigger than the other, that could give you the R, or being able to just explain about that the forces are unbalanced, so net force is greater than 0, leading to acceleration, like being able to explain that relationship. You can get an R for that as well. But really, for the full answer, being able to say that the weight force is bigger than the air resistance, therefore the net force is in the downwards direction, and then the net force is unbalanced, causing the parachutist to be accelerating downwards. So that full relationship between it, that will give you the excellence here.